Hello and welcome back to the Yak Chat channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to add and manage compliance messaging in the Yak Chat app. Let's get started. First, open up the Yak Chat admin portal. From the main menu, click on the Compliance tab. Now click the Add Compliance button. You'll see a list of default compliance keywords. These are automatically filled in, but you can easily customize them. To remove a keyword, click the little X next to it. To add a new one, just start typing in the field. You can also edit the message content that gets sent out when a keyword is triggered. On the right-hand panel, you'll need to fill in a few key details. Enter a name for your compliance. Add a brand ID and a campaign ID. Assign one or more phone numbers. And optionally, add an opt-out message that will be sent the first time someone receives a compliance message. Once you're happy with everything, click Save to finish creating your compliance. To view an existing compliance, just click on it in the list. The full details will appear in the right-hand panel. If you need to make changes, click Edit Compliance. You can update any information here. When you're done, click Save again to apply your changes. To delete a compliance, click on the one you want to remove. Then, click the three-dot menu, select Delete, and confirm your choice. You can also export all your compliance data as a CSV file. Just click the three-dot menu at the top of the compliance screen and choose Export Compliances. This will download a document with all your compliance settings. And that's it! You've now learned how to add, edit, delete, and export compliance messaging in Yak Chat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.